Ladies and gentlemen, the Toronto Blue Jays are outriding right-handed mid-reliever Yariel Rodriguez off the 40-man roster. That means that we have 3 spots that we can fill. The move means Rodriguez went through waivers unclaimed. Will be a free agent in 2028. But I did see a rumor that we could do a 1-for-1 trade swap with the Rangers. 28-year-old was solid for Toronto in the regular season, returning in a 3.08 ERA in 66 games. He had 66 strikeouts and saved 2 games over the course of 73 innings in 2025. When it really went left was in the playoffs. He played 2.2 innings with a 10.13 ERA, and Cuban native made his major league debut on April 13th, 2024, in a game against the shitty Rockies. Yariel Rodriguez for utility man Ezekiel Duran. The proposal deal does make sense for both teams. The Blue Jays get another utility bench bat. Texas, meanwhile, gets a pitcher who can be a high leverage reliever and potentially a starter. Duran is under team control through the 2029 season, gives Blue Jays manager John Schneider more flexibility. The 26-year-old ended up not being the greatest for Texas. 0 home runs, 14 RBIs, and a 224 batting average. He's more of a contact bat than power, which is what made Toronto so successful last season and really took our offense to another level, so much that we almost won a championship